Hobby Lobby has marked their Christmas decor down to 60% off. Let's go shopping.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone.
This is absolutely unbelievable. Hobby Lobby has never done this before. If you're in the market for a Christmas tree, some new garlands, some ornaments, or some large decor pieces, now is the time. Never before has Hobby Lobby marked their Christmas decor 60% off this early. It's a sign of the times, but if you have something on your list, you're going to want to head in and check things out. They have so many large pieces marked way down. These are after holiday prices before Thanksgiving. Now, each store is going to have a different selection. They also have a few items that are already sold out online. So run, don't walk if there's something on your list. I'm going to try and cover everything I'm finding in the store, from different collections, from vintage and retro looks to more traditional looks. Some farmhouse, some glam, a bit of more woodsy white, and it's just so hard to jam pack into one video, but I want you to know that everything from wreaths to garlands to yard signs and home decor are all 60% off at Hobby Lobby. Let's get into their collections.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arm. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas, some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of a dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. angels' voices. Oh, night divine. Oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine. Oh, night divine. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Go fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angels' voices. Oh, night divine. Oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine. Oh, night divine.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exultation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God in the highest. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Word of the Father, now in flesh appearing. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord.
All right, guys, so make your list, check them twice, whether you're in need of picks or swags. Tabletop Decor, just write it down. Head to Hobby Lobby. I hope you enjoyed seeing what they're putting out for 60% off, and I'll see you back very soon.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come